Hey everyone, in today's video, I want to show you a new method of making money online with no investment at all. It's something you can do from anywhere in the world, and you can literally make thousands of dollars with this little trick that I'll show you. And it's very simple, everybody can do it. So let's go, let me show you how. So the website we're going to use for this method is called volutic.com. So you're just going to type that on in Google and you'll get there. So this is how it works. You just earn money by reading emails, and it's completely free, and you can do it from your PC, tablet, or mobile phone. So it's pretty handy. And what they do, they pay you as well for referrals. And this is what you want to use to make the most money. So, first thing you want to know is that the minimum payout is really little, it's 20 cents. So that's very little. And then they pay $1 for every referral when they earn $1. That's what you want to do. So what you're going to do with that, let me show you a little bit more of how it works with them. Here it is. You have the level of commission. And so, yeah, you can see here, depending on how many referral you have, the more you have, the better it is, of course. So the website we're going to use for that, we will go to a website called imgore.com, and I went to SimilarWeb here, and I will show you this website, how much visits they get. So it's a website that was founded in 2009, and it's got a total visit of 210 million. In January, it had 210 million, so that's pretty good, right? You just want to have like thousands of people pretty much like clicking on your link and reading, like signing up to read those emails. So what we'll do, we'll go to the website. This is how the website looks like. Let's go back here. This is how it looks like, and as you can see, people post videos or photos, and you can of course add your link. You need to add a small description, and here you have like a main um, a main page with the most viral videos and photos. You literally can comment on the photos, you can see the number of views and everything. So that's what you're going to use. So from there, what you will do, you will go to a website called pexels.com, and you will search for a video or a photo related to what you're promoting. And in this example, I mean, in this with this method, we're like trying to promote reading emails online. So a laptop, someone on a laptop would do, and I already downloaded this video right here. So we're going to use this one, but that's free to download. You can have photos or videos, so up to you. Just pick whatever you want, whatever suits you. And from there, we will go to our website, gore.com. So if you want to post your video or your photo, you will go to new post here. You will create it. So let's choose a photo or video, and we will select this one, which is the one I selected with someone typing on a laptop. And we're going to create a title here. So read email, make money reading emails, make money online from anywhere reading emails. Free, um, no, free, no investment needed. Okay, so here's your title. So now over here in the description, you can put sign up sign up here to get started right away. And you will put your link. So let's go back and find our link. It was right here. You can copy the link, go back to your website, post it right here, and then you want to add your tags. So let's put money. Let's put, the more tags you have, the better, of course, because you're going to target the right people. Let's put online income. 59 posts. Don't really like that. Make money online. Let's put that one. Let's put make money. Let's see, what do we have here? Money maker. Make more money. Okay, that, I guess that's it. So there you go. So we have our tags, we have our title, and we have our description right here, and we have a photo. So now we're just gonna post it to the community. Let's go. And do not show this again. Post publicly. And here you have your first post on the website. And now, like, everybody like can see this website. You see, they can like click on here, click on this, and they'll go to your link. And every time somebody signs up and starts to read email and make money with that, you will receive a small commission. So that's how you can make money with this. What you want to do, you don't need to go to that specific website here. You can find other websites. You can literally use, if you want, a funnel builder and make up a page and go on your social media on Pinterest, TikTok, um, Facebook. What else we have? Instagram Reels, and just post your link. But you want to make sure, if you go to those websites, to those social media platforms, you want to make sure that you're not using your link, your referral link straight away. You need to make sure it's linked to a website. So this way you won't be banned and you'll be able to post your link everywhere. So that's one method. Another method for you guys to try and make money online. You can literally make thousands online passively using this, and it doesn't cost you anything. It's just a matter of posting a video or a photo, putting your link, making sure you add that it's free, there's no investment in there, and then you can attract more people. And if you want a full training on affiliate marketing and how to make money online, make sure you click the link below, and have a look at the training that got me started in affiliate marketing. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, please give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next video.